Hello there, it's Credit Card Friday. I'm Eliel the Marvel and welcome to my YouTube channel. Sa mga mahilig mag-apply ng credit cards out there, this is a great offer for you. Citi Simplicity Credit Card from Citibank is giving 8,000 pesos free worth of Gcash funds, Airpods 2 or JBL Soundbar 2.0. Ang gagawin nyo lang po is to spend at least 10,000 pesos within 60 days from the approval date, single or accumulated purchases. Now, disclaimer, you need to be an existing credit card holder for at least 6 months excluding Citibank credit card. So kahit anong banks po, kahit anong credit card, so long as you're utilizing it within 6 months, pasok po kayo sa promotion na ito. Now, what a good thing about Simplicity Credit Card is they still have the no annual fee for life. I guess yan na yung trademark ni Simplicity Credit Card, walang annual fee. Mababa lang din po yung interest rate nila, which is 2%. I guess naka-align siya sa Bangko Central. So that's 2% monthly. And one of the requirements is that you only need to have at least 180,000 pesos annual income. So sa lahat ng mga minimum wage earner dyan, pasok po kayo dito sa requirement na ito. So what are you waiting for? Link is on the description below if you wanted to apply. So again, this is Credit Card Friday. I'm Eliel the Marvel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.